Hello everyone, I'm your host Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNV Academy. So you have decided to bring diversity, equity and inclusion to the heart of your organization. And now you are looking at ISO 30415 certification. But where do you start? And what exactly do you need to prepare? Let's walk through this journey in a clear, practical and inspiring way. Getting certified to ISO 30415 2021, the international standard for human resource management, diversity and inclusion, is not just about compliance. It is about creating a culture where everyone feels valued and empowered. Now let's have a look on the steps to get ISO 30415 certified. Step 1. Conduct a readiness assessment. The preparation begins with a readiness assessment. Here, your organization evaluates its current DEI practices from recruitment and training to leadership engagement and workplace accessibility. This step helps you identify the gaps between what you are currently doing and what ISO 30415 expects. Ask questions like, do our hiring practices promote equal opportunity? Are we providing inclusive training and mentorship? Do leaders understand their DEI responsibilities? This assessment gives you a roadmap for improvement. Now, step 2. Develop and document your DEI framework. Next comes the documentation phase. You will need to build or define your DEI policy, objectives, and procedures. Create documentation that supports your commitment, from training plans and communication strategies to evidence of actions taken. Think of this as your organization's DEI storybook, a collection of proof showing how diversity and inclusion are actively lived values, not just buzzwords. Now, step 3. Train and engage your people. Certification isn't about documents alone, it is about people. Conduct awareness sessions and training workshops to ensure employees and leaders understand ISO 30415 principles. Encourage open discussions, create feedback channels, and recognize inclusive behavior. Remember, ISO 30415 certification succeeds only when inclusion becomes a habit across all departments. Now, step 4. Conduct an internal audit. Before inviting an external auditor, perform a thorough internal audit. This internal check helps you identify areas of non-conformance and implement corrective actions. During this stage, verify that policies are implemented effectively, employee engagement data supports DEI objectives, leadership commitment is visible and measurable. A strong internal audit builds confidence for the external certification process. Now, step 5. Undergo the certification audit. Once you are ready, approach an accredited certification body. The audit typically happens in 2 stages. Stage 1 audit, review of documentation and readiness evaluation. Now, stage 2 audit, in-depth verification of implementation and effectiveness of DEI practices. Auditors will interact with employees, review records, and assess leadership involvement. Transparency and authenticity are the key during this process. Now, step 6. Achieve and maintain certification. If your organization meets all the requirements, congratulations. You will earn the ISO 30415 certification. It's valid for 3 years with annual surveillance audits to ensure ongoing compliance. However, certification isn't the finish line. It is a continuous improvement journey where your DEI efforts evolve as your organization grows. Keep reviewing, measuring, and improving inclusion practices year after year. Step 7. Celebrate and communicate your success. Once certified, share your achievement with your stakeholders, employees, and clients. Highlight your DEI milestones in sustainability reports, recruitment campaigns, and social media. This certification sends a powerful message that your organization doesn't just talk about inclusion, it lives it every day. Preparing for ISO 30415 is preparing for the future. ISO 30415 certification is more than a badge. It is a commitment to respect, fairness, and opportunity for all. When your organization aligns with these values, you don't just achieve compliance. You build a workplace that thrives on human potential. So prepare your people, polish your policies, and celebrate your progress. The journey to ISO 30415 certification is truly a journey toward a more inclusive, innovative, and resilient future. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.